In this video, I'm just going over basically my views of the entire chart and where we're at in the chart, and then answering the question, is it possible that the bear market has bottomed here and we're going to go to new all-time highs, or even go up here to 430 to 450? So based on the current chart, just looking at the chart and looking at the candles, I would say it's not possible that we bottomed yet. It's not possible that the bear market is over with yet. Based on the chart alone, price action only, we have one green day, and I see a lot of bullish people, but you have to look at the price action. The price action is saying, no, we have not bottomed yet. We want to see an impulsive move off the lows. This is corrective right here. So if you're holding your puts and you're holding and you're bearish still, you have the right idea in mind, in my opinion. This current move right here, the farthest it can go basically is it can go like this. Could potentially do ABC above the high here too, but it's still a corrective move. So that means we have to go down to new lows. So basically, if it's going to come up here to 430 to 450, it's going to have to do this first. Some kind of C wave down here in the area of like 355 to 365, and then it can go back up here to the highs. In that case, I would be looking at this whole move as A, B, and then we get a C wave down here. So within this move, it would be A, B, C, like that. So at the least, this has got to come down here to like 365 or so. That would be the 1.23 fib of this area right here. So we have 1.23 fib at 366, 18 points higher than 348, and I think it could go all the way up to 450 if that were the case. So that wouldn't even mean the bottom is in. That would just still mean that we are completing the B wave, and this was the A wave, so B wave, and then we go get the C wave. That would just delay the bottom, and then we'd still get that down to like 310, 320. So I see either this possibility where we're currently in the B wave going lower, and then we get a C wave higher, or still we've seen this ends up being A, B, and we're working on C, and this is a second wave. So like this. So it remains to be seen, but basically in either scenario, it's more than likely that we either are going to top early next week, or we'll get a pullback before one more move higher to like 400, and then we start the next move down. If it does this, and let's say it goes all the way back up here to 410, let's actually zoom in here and just see. Let's say we go to 392. Then it could come up here to like 403, and then it would start the next move down, and in that case still we could just be ABC. Still could be A, B, C down here to 360, and then it goes back up to 450. So basically what I'm trying to say is no, we have not bottomed in the bear market yet. There's some scenarios where you can go up here to 430 to 450 like I just laid out, but currently in this structure, this is either a B wave or a second wave. So we're looking at it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we're currently in A, B, C wave down here. And again, this B wave, corrective moves are pretty tricky, could still be A, B, C. But there's no way from this structure where it started that it can go like this. It's not going to be a 5-wave move from here. So near term, we should get another move to minimum, probably 365, 366 is what I'm saying. Minimum, and probably this will end up being the second wave, third, fourth, fifth. So if you're bullish, you have a few possibilities where you could be right, but it's going to have to be down here like that. So pretty much is what I think on the market. I see a lot of bullish people on Twitter, but even if it goes to new highs, again, it's still corrective. And that's all you need to look at to know that we have not bottomed yet. Same on like individual stocks. I follow individual stocks. They're really, really low, but they're all corrective waves. So that means they need to have capitulation for them to actually bottom, and then they can start an impulse move up to really solidify the bottom. So hopefully you understand what I mean. If you don't, leave me a comment. I'll try to explain it a little bit better. But I just wanted to make a video going over what I think is the most likely scenarios. And in every scenario, we come down here and break 348 to bottom. So this is not the bottom of the bear market. And it seems like a bold call to say that, but based on the price action, that's what I have to say about it. Anyway, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Like, subscribe for more updates. And we'll see. Maybe this will end in the end of the spring. Maybe in like end of March, we hit the bottom. Or if they want to do this, it would probably delay the bottom till the end of 2023. So it'd be another year of all of this going on. We'd get a slight bull market for a couple months, and then we go to new lows. So it kind of depends on whatever they want to do. We're ready for it, though. We know it's going to new lows. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe. I'll do more updates tomorrow.